You're here to learn how you can stream 24/7 on your website, and you will need a WordPress site, WP Stream, OBS Studio, and a phone or laptop as a camera. I'm Beatrice, and I've been helping streamers go live on their website and monetize streams and videos for about 6 years now. By the end of this video, you will find that your live stream will look something like this, including the video, description, like, comment section, and things like that. So the first thing, as I said, you need a WordPress website and to install the WP Stream plugin. So let's do that by going to the plugin section. And here we want to click on Add Plugins. Then we want to type WP Stream, and the WP Stream plugin will appear over here. As you can see, it's right over here, but it's already active. It's installed and activated already on my site. I'm going to WP Stream credentials, and here I want to either log in or register if I don't already have an account, but I already do, so I've just connected to my account. Now I'm going to all channels, and as you can see, there are a bunch of channels already set up, both pay-per-view and free-to-view channels. But instead of just turning on one of these existing channels, I want to show you how to create a new free to view channel. So if you want to create your very own start to finish. So the first thing I'm doing is adding a title, and I'm going to add 24/7 live stream, and I'm also going to add a description to this channel as well. So the reason that many of you may want to add a 24/7 live stream is because you simply want to stream all day, every single day, 365 days a year. And it might be complicated with other platforms, but with WP Stream on your WordPress site, it's pretty straightforward and easy to set up. As you can see, I've added some tags and categories, and then I've published my channel. And this is how it will look like after I've published it. Now, let's go to the channel settings. And this is super important, and we want to go through this before we actually turn on our channel. So, for the 24/7 live streams, we don't need to record the live stream, obviously. You mainly want to do that if you're streaming something shorter. If you want to display your viewer count, autoplay. So I'm enabling autoplay, but for that, I also want to start muted because the chances are higher if you enable those together. And the most important step is enabling auto turn on. So this option over here is for those times that, I don't know, something happens and your 24/7 live stream just goes down and you're not able to access the admin section. So when you have this enabled, you can simply go live, start streaming automatically from OBS without doing this whole process again. So I'm just going back and turning on my channel, and I'm also opening up OBS Studio, which is a free pro tool that you can use to live stream events. So this is how OBS looks like. I'm going to go to settings, and from settings, I will go to the stream area. So under service, we want to choose custom. And here in the destination, you'll find that you need to add a server and stream key. So if we go back to WP Stream and click on go live with external streaming app, you will see they have a bunch of options, including OBS Studio. And we want to copy and paste the server and stream key from here into OBS. Click on OK, and now start streaming. So like I mentioned earlier, we have the auto turn on setting enabled. And to make it work from next time, you need to do this once. So you need to turn on your channel, add these details to OBS or whatever platform you're using, and then start streaming. Then the next time you go live, it will automatically do so. So this is how our live stream looks like, and you can run this 24/7. But keep in mind that you may need to have a laptop that works, that is always open, so you can actually stream whatever you want to stream. Now I clicked on customize, and I'm going to live channel settings, and here I want to enable show chat. So if you want your viewers to also add some comments or chat with you during your live stream, this is how you do that. So as you can see, if you click on join chat room, you'll be able to add a message. And there are so many settings that you can check out. So the chat is made with better messages, and I've linked it down below as well. But if you have our Hello WP Stream theme and one of our demos, it's very straightforward to add it, and you don't need to manually add it to your site. Now I'm going to click on stop streaming. And I'm just going to minimize that. And the live stream would have stopped. As you can see right now, it's off. So I want to manually turn this off for now. So you only want to do this if you either forgot to enable something, or like in my case, I want to very quickly show you how the auto turn on works. But usually your channel turns off automatically after about an hour of inactivity. And if you're turning off your channel, it might take a little bit to be able to turn it back on. So as you can see, there's no live stream happening over here. It says we are not live at this moment. I'm going back to OBS Studio. As you can see, I already have my details set up already. They weren't deleted, and I just click on start streaming. That's it. I'm not turning on my channel manually. I'm just leaving it off. But because I clicked on start streaming from OBS Studio, the channel automatically turns on and I am live.